guys, welcome back to my channel. It is January right now. Time has passed so quickly. Chinese New Year is right around the corner, and I think every year it is one of the biggest events for the year, especially when it comes to wanting to look good, wanting to feel good, wanting to dress good. I get quite a lot of questions with regards to the skincare prep that I do weeks before Chinese New Year comes itself. I think it's very important to kind of intentionally prep your skin. At least give it 1 to 2 weeks in order for your products to take effect. Pretty much everything is going to focus around hydration, brightening, and treating the skin, because I feel that at night is like the best time to go in and whack like a lot of products, of course as much as your skin can take. I like to stress about this again and again and again. Removing all traces of makeup is super important because makeup not only clogs your skin, it also causes skin aging. It also prevents like products from getting into your skin, which is counterintuitive. If you haven't tried double cleansing and if you're a frequent heavy makeup user, you should definitely try incorporating an oil-based cleanser into your routine and then going in with a micellar water, or oil-based cleanser and then going in with a foam cleanser as well. So some makeup remover recommendations that I have would be Bioderma micellar water. That one is great for sensitive skin. I also really like the Shu Uemura Ultimate Cleansing Oil. I highly recommend it. Of course, we have your Bifesta, we have your Maybelline. All of these are really good and affordable drugstore brands. When it comes to cleansers, of course I like to go in with something that is more like foamy and more dense. So lately I've been loving The Lab Oligo Hyaluronic Cleanser. That one is so hydrating, like my skin feels so much cleaner but yet moisturized after I use it. Of course, we have your Allies of Skin Amino Cleanser. That one is also great for dry skin. Let's get started with skincare. So after cleansing, what I usually like to do during a very crucial period, so sometimes I do it like before a shoot or before a big event, is to exfoliate. It's actually very beneficial and you should do it at least once a week. Even if you have very dry or sensitive skin, I still do recommend once in 2 weeks at least. The main thing is to pick an exfoliator that actually is suitable for your skin type. So I've got dry, eczema, sensitive skin, and this one is from Skin Inc. It's the Pure Revival Peel. So I really like it. You can see how much dead skin it just gets rid of, and it just works so quickly at just removing all of your dead skin. And why this is great is because it helps to accelerate cell regeneration. It helps makeup sit much nicer, skincare products penetrate deeper, and overall more youthful skin. So I'm gonna go wash my face and I'll be back. Alright, now after cleansing your face, I highly recommend going in with facial tissues. So you just pat, and my skin instantly feels smoother. Okay, so right now usually I go in with a sheet mask, and at night I like to go in with something a little bit on the richer side or more nourishing side, because I'm gonna go to bed anyway and I sleep in an air-conditioned room. This one is one of my faves. It's the Abib Gummy Sheet Mask Heart Leaf Sticker. So especially if you have sensitive skin or if you have a lot of redness, you can use this every single day if you want, or using this like alternate days. It's gonna really help your skin a lot and prep it like in time for Chinese New Year, and you will really see a huge difference. So I like to first put like a bit of essence on the skin before going in with the sheet mask. I find that that kind of adheres the sheet mask better onto the skin. There's still a lot left in here, which you guys can just pour on your skin if you want. I'll be back in 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes is up, and you guys can see my mask is more or less done, but it still is very hydrating. So I think I can stretch it to like 20 minutes. Ta-da! So I really like to use this because it really helps to hydrate, nourish, and just really give it a lot of like TLC. And then I'll go in with my Skin Inc. Tri-Light Optimizer Voyage. Usually at night I'll go in with this orange light, which is yellow and red light together. And it also has supersonic technology that helps to penetrate the products deeper into the skin. Of course, you want to use it with water-based products, and this one definitely is light enough for maximum absorption. So usually with all of the leftover essence, I go in with a device like this to stretch it out further. I also have another recommendation. This is the Foreo Bear. So this is great for stimulating your muscles and tightening your skin. It doesn't have any LED light. It kind of makes your skin a lot more firm and pronounces your V-line a lot more. So it really depends on what you're after, but throughout the entire week leading up to CNY, I would recommend going in every single day with alternate vices. Okay, next up, I like to go in with my Abib Hypoderma SP12GF serum. This is one of my favorite serums of all time, especially if you have a compromised skin barrier, if you have pore issues, if you have very sensitive skin, or if you're just looking at anti-aging. This serum is going to accelerate all of the healing, the cell regeneration. It's also going to make all the products that you put on top of it penetrate so much faster and deeper into the skin because of this particular technology that has SP1 EGF 10 ppm and FGF 5 ppm. These are ingredients and technologies that have won Nobel Prize awards for how amazing it is at, just stem cell regeneration. And it's extremely lightweight. So usually at night when I have a bit more time, and especially when I'm applying things that are a little bit richer, I like to kind of leave in between steps about 1 minute to 2 minutes for it to deeply settle into the skin. Eye cream. So lately I've been using the Claire de Peau Beauté Enhancing Eye Contour Cream Supreme. It is slightly on the thicker side, which is why I like to use it at night, but it is very luxurious. So I just apply it on my ring finger and just very gently tap. Go around the eyes because not only do you want to care about your under eye, you have your crow's feet, you have your eyelids. For this, I don't go in too much, like just a small little dollop. It's enough for my entire 2 eyes. And after this, I will go in with either or a retinol product or a glycolic acid. I use them interchangeably, so if you're doing it 1 week before, I would recommend going in like 2 days with one day with another, or 1 day each, alternate them. So retinol is great for just cell regeneration, anti-aging, lifting or plumping, and I highly recommend the Olay Retinol 24 because this one is slightly more gentle than usual retinol products. So if you have sensitive skin or if you're just starting out with retinol, you can give this one a try because it uses retinoid instead of retinol, which is a derivative. And then of course we've got our Drunk Elephant TLC from Boost Glycolic Night Serum. This is one of my favorites. I talk about it all the time. It is a glycolic acid AHA-BHA blend that helps to chemically exfoliate your skin and just reduce clogged pores. So this is what I'm going to be using today. But of course these two products are quite harsh and potent, so I would say if your skin cannot take it, then just use it once a week or twice a week. You don't have to use it every single day. I'm using it every single day despite me having very sensitive skin because I have built my skin to get used to it over the years. After applying this, your skin should feel really a little bit on the thicker side, like it's a little bit heavy now because this one is slightly stickier. And then last but not the least, I like to go in with a sleeping mask. So one that I highly recommend is CG Skin's Dream Capsule. This one has bakuchiol, purslane and squalane because it helps to give you really nice bright skin the next morning. And I use this as a moisturizer double up with a sleeping pack. So some other sleeping masks that I do recommend would be Fresh Lotus Youth Preserve Dream Cream. That one is a night moisturizer that's really nice. There's also Laneige Water Bank, which is a very good old simple hydrating night mask. We also have Drunk Elephant's F Balm. That one is also one of my faves. So I usually go in with this or F Balm. And there you have it, you're ready for bed. I know that's quite a lot, but if you do this every single day for a whole week, or if you can just persevere and do it like 2 weeks, 3 weeks in advance before a big event day, your skin is gonna thank you for it. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, join the fam, and talk to me in the comments box down below. Let me know your plans for CNY. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!